everyone, and welcome to another exciting episodes of Clickbait, a brand new show on cybersecurity brought to you by IT Voice. I'm your host Rini Gupta, presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you to stay secure online. So buckle up, get curious, and Clickbait together the safe way. First up, Google has released Chrome 134 to the stable channel, addressing 14 security vulnerabilities, including a critical exploits and a V8 JavaScript engine, DevTools, PDF, Flum, and a media component. The update is available in the Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. The most survived flaw CVE 2025-1914 is an out-of-bounds and read V8, which could expose a sensitive data. Google patched it by enhancing array bounds validation. Other vulnerabilities include a CVE 2025-1915, a part revision flaw in DevTools in CVE 2025 in 1916, a use after free UAF by a profile of management. For Android, allowed UI a spoofing for phishing attack. Google improved a URL origin validation to prevent a permission abuse. A version businesses and Accenture have announced a strategic partnership to deliver announced cybersecurity solutions. The collaboration aims to help businesses mitigate evolving threats, including data breaches, phishing, and social engineering. Initially, the partnership introduced as a service of offerings such identify and access management, managed to extended detection and response, and cyber risk services. Future phases will focus on co-innovating a new cybersecurity solution. A Kylie Malady, CEO of Version Businesses, emphasized a Version commitment to protecting customer data and scaling cybersecurity capabilities. Manish Sharma, a CEO American Accenture, highlighted the growing complexity of cybersecurity due to emerging technology, regulations, and supply chain risk. Now, when it comes to cybersecurity, more isn't always better. A new global study of IBM and Palo Alto Network reveals that the organization juggle in an average of 67 different security solutions from 26 vendors, and it's making a 3-war. While threats evolving rapidly, companies pile security tools, but instead of improving defenses, they create a complexity, influences, and a costly blind spots. In fact, 77% of executives say fragmented security slows their response on threats, while security complexity costs organization average of 5% of their annual revenue. The solution security, a platformization and integrating cybersecurity tools into unified system. The study found that the companies with strong tool security integration report better operation efficiency, faster threat response, and even revenue of growth. Analyzing a certain in collaboration with the Kaspersky has uncovered widespread cybersecurity risk in 20 Indian smart cities, including a malware infections, botnet attacks, and a misconfigured network. The report released on February 17 identified a remote access vulnerabilities as the most critical issue, making smart city infrastructure susceptible, and cyber attack were prevalent in the northern, central, and western India, 11 remote to takeovers in Espionage. In the south, a botnet infection such as a stock 5 systems were in a major concern, turning a compromised system into proxies of cyber criminals. Many cities also suffered from a misconfigured SNMP settings, increasing the risk of unauthorized access and denial of service attacks. Certain recommend the network segmentation, stronger of IoT security protocols, a real-time threat monitoring, and a regular prevention testing. Now, LTI-Mindtree has launched its AI-driven cyber defense resilience in center in Bangalore to enhance a threat detection, indicate a response, and security automation from a global client. The CRDC leverages a predictive analytics and a natural language processing to interrupt data from multiple resources, helping businesses identify a cyber threats and efficiently. It enables clients to focus on a core operations while improving security resilience. Having worked with the clients over 30 plus countries, LTI-Mindtree provides a custom security roadmaps aligned with the digital transformation goals. Nishit Deshpande, a whole-time director of CO, and emphasizes CDRC, a real-time incident response capabilities, reducing a cyber attack impact and allowing humans to analyze and handle complex security challenges. Designed as a center of excellence, the 100-seater facility supports a cyber operation, security, event management, and operational security. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We have covered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share our insights and question and comment below. Let's build a strong community together. Like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.